this is our very first job fair, no, conducted here at Eastwood Colleges, and May pala, but we already conducted 12 job fairs for this year already, no? So, murag naka-apon na tas quota o monthly ang atuang job fair. But we're still in the middle of, at the end of May. So June na ta mag-start na po next week. We're hoping to again conduct job fairs, no? Natay upcoming job fair sa June 16, which is itawag na nato Lapu-Lapu City Charter Day Job Fair. No? So guys, how many na ba ang atong na hats? We have 3. Ato silang taktakan. Congratulations to the 3 hats. No? These are from what company? SMEG, CIA, and Seymour. So thank you so much. No? And all of the participating employers know our gratitude na tungang mo karong adlaw. Despite the very short notice, no, kay paspas mo kayo nga to ang pagkanda ng mga job fairs, and we are confident, no, na after this program napakang moabot ng mga aplikante, no? So the alumni, no, o mga walk-ins nato from different parts of Lapu-Lapu City. Again, on behalf of Lapu-Lapu City Mayor Cindy King Chan, and Congressman Junard Ahong Chan, gusto kita mo na ipaabot, no, ang mga services sa Lapu-Lapu City Government na mapaabot din sa mga kabarangayan, maabot sa mga eskwelahan, aron matagamtaman nila ang servisyo sa Lapu-Lapu City Government. No? So, among panikamot nila ni Mayor Cindy, ni Congressman Ahong, na matang pamilya dinis Lapu-Lapu, kinahanglan tunay ng trabaho. Daghang salamat, maayong buntag.